The Cleanfast is designed to simultaneously trench and suction, making utility and telecom installation clean and fast. Its quick setup and rollout are one of the biggest advantages. In just minutes, it's time to work. The cutting tool shown here has a maximum cutting depth of 26 inches and a maximum cutting radius of 30 inches. The cutting attachment alone has several notable features. It is remotely controlled and it has a soundproof saw covering that helps to eliminate not only noise, but any escaping dirt and debris. Another advantage of the Cleanfast is its minimal disturbance to any vehicle or foot traffic. It's why this machine is so well suited for urban areas. The concept is simple. Cut narrow trenches, evacuate material, install cables, and backfill in one pass. Another exciting feature is the sealed dumping container. The suction hoses feed excavated material directly into the container, which has a maximum capacity of 6.5 tons. The container is remotely controlled, and the material inside can be easily dumped, discarded, or even used for backfill. Purchase direct from the factory today. For additional details, visit www.trytesmecusa.com.